Hello, this is Jim from Techbuzz. Today we're going to have a look at a new phone that's just released on Tesco Mobile in the UK, and hope you're going to see it sooner along. Tesco here. It's an ALCATEL 3V. ALCATEL are promptly sold on Tesco Mobile here in Ireland, so hopefully we can expect to see this soon. This phone comes in at around 105 sterling, so if you're looking at conversion rates, you can still buy this SIM free from Tesco in the UK. You're talking around 130 quid all in, and it's got quite a lot of spec for the price. Really quite a lot. Very hard to believe that a company can make a phone with so much available for its price, but there you go. This is what we're at now. We're getting more quality on our devices, coming in cheaper rather than going the opposite end when we're seeing devices over €1,000. You know, which people are kind of getting fed up with now. So it'll tell us here on the back it's got a 6-inch display, 80.9 ratio, which is the new standard now. We've got an IPS screen, 2K 2160 by 1080. We've 4G quad core, 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel interpolated, and we've 2 megapixel LED flash, and on the front camera is a 5 megapixel interpolated 8 megs with an LED flash as well. We've 16 gigs of ROM, 2 gigs of RAM, and we've got a 3000 mAh battery with Android Oreo out of the box. So there's a lot going on in here, and on the side just gives some more information there, and this is basically it. So we'll take the phone out and have a look and see what else we get inside. So the surprises keep coming. So we also get a case for the phone straight away, which is excellent, and it's a kind of a in between gel and plastic. It's not as flexible as a gel case, and it's pretty cool just to have that case there to begin with out of the box, so you don't have to go looking for one straight away. We've got our SIM removal tool, some services guide here, and a quick start guide, and of course the user manual, which none of us will ever probably read and haven't done so for a long time. So we get our power charger here, and that's it. We also get some cable, and that's it there. And we also get some earbuds, which is nice to see, and they are ALCATEL branded as well, so that's what they look like there. Pretty typical standard earbud that you'll find with most devices that come with the packaging. So that's really about it on that. So onto the phone itself, and that's it there. It's pretty nice indeed, and comparing it to my Nokia 7 Plus, it's pretty much the same size. So that's the size you're looking at there, and straight away you can see this lovely shiny back on it here, which again is kind of the way a lot of manufacturers are going with their phones, and it's really nice looking, but it is going to be a fingerprint magnet. So on the front here, it'll just tell us again what I've already read out to you earlier. We've dual SIM and dual standby, which is excellent. And there's the cover off the front of the phone there. And up on top here, we can see the layout here. We've got our cameras here. We've got a fingerprint sensor too. Again, coming in at the price coming in, this is really quite good. Our flash with the ALCATEL branding there. And we've also got face unlock on this too, which is excellent. So you have a dual camera setup, you have face unlock, you have a fingerprint sensor, you have a lot going for it. You have 2 gigs of RAM, as I said, which is quite enough for the average user. Anything below that would be kind of a no-go. But overall, the phone feels really, really light too. And seriously, for the money, you can't really complain. And that's just a quick startup of it there. And if we stick the case on there and see what it's like, this is going to protect you here anyway from fingerprints and so on. So that's the startup there, and you can see your usual sensors up on top, camera, earphone and so on. And we'll let this quickly run up here. So we got our usual setup from here. So we have emergency and vision settings here, and we go on and set up the device from there. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing. And before I go, just before I forget, we do have everything on one side here. We have our SIM card slot here, our power on and off there, and it's easy to distinguish because you can see the edge is kind of rough there, which is pretty cool. And then over here is our volume toggles, and down at the bottom we have our speakers either side. Not sure if these are mono or if one will work. We'll check them out too. Micro USB, can't really complain about that, but USB-C would have been better. But for the price this is coming in, you know, you're really getting a whole lot for your money. We've got a mic up on top and our 3.5mm headphones jack there, so you have your headphone jack still present. So all that's available on this phone, which you'll typically find from mid-range phones up, you have your fingerprint scanner, you have your dual camera setup, you have face unlock, you know, there's a lot going for it. Android Oreo out of the box, so pretty cool to see. So any questions in the meantime, give us a shout while we give this a test run over the next week or two and get some sample photos and videos and show you what it's like and what we think of it. But for the price so far, it's looking quite good. Lots on offer. Looking forward to testing it out and seeing how well it will perform over a period of time. So we'll talk to you in the next one, and stay tuned for more on the ALCATEL 3V with 4G and Android 8.0 out of the box. We'll talk to you in the next one.